Day number 5. Today we're gonna do Nadi Shodhana, also called Anulom Vilom, against the line and with the line, nowadays known as alternate nostril breathing. We inhale always starting with the left, hold for a second, exhale to the right, inhale through the right, hold, exhale through the left. This is one cycle. The first 5 breaths we're going to do deeper to opening up the nostrils. Then we have a short pause. Then we do again 5 breaths. We hold each time 3 seconds after the inhalation and after the exhalation. We're going to do 3 rounds of Nadi Shodhana. This is also the most sublime pranayama technique because it really balances the Pitta and Pingala, the left and the right side, the sun and the moon, the feminine and the masculine, to bring the prana flow into Sushumna, into your main energy channel along your spine. Close your eyes, take a few breaths, bring your awareness on the breathing, relax your body, relax your shoulders, keep your spine straight, a gentle smile on your lips, and smilingly observe your breathing. Okay, inhale fully, exhale one time. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale to your left. Hold. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Hold. Exhale left. Continue on your own, 4 breaths. Release after your last exhalation on the left side. Relax your body, find your own breathing rhythm. Also doing the in and exhalation, focus on your breath. Enters the left nostril all the way to third eye, and then as you exhale, letting go, you focus completely on the breath. Then you will get most benefit out of it. Okay, round number 2. We're gonna do a little bit softer, a little bit calmer. You inhale, then you hold the breath for 3 seconds. You exhale, you hold the breath. We're gonna do 3 cycles of this breath now. Start with inhalation and exhalation. Inhale, close your right. Inhale through the left. 3 rounds on your own. Don't forget to hold the breath after each in and exhalation for a couple of seconds. Last round. Okay, now in the last round, we're gonna inhale for 4 seconds, we hold the breath for 12, and we exhale for 8 seconds. Then you can inhale to the right, hold, exhale. You're gonna do 3 rounds. You count on your own. Don't worry so much about the numbers. Just make sure the inhalation is a bit shorter, the breath hold longer, and the exhalation longer. Okay? Inhale, exhale. And start by inhaling in the left nostril for 4 seconds. Last round. Relax your breathing. Bring the awareness to third eye, the center within, along your spine, the heart area. And just smilingly observe your inner state of being. Rub your hands together. Place them over your eyelids and forehead. And look into yourself, the spaciousness, the space within. And massage your eyelids, your forehead, your skull, your neck, your upper back, your shoulders, your chest, your abdominal area, your lower back, on the side of your rib cage, under your armpits on both sides, your upper arms, your lower arms, your hands, your fingers. Your sitting muscles, your thighs, and your feet.